Okay babes, I am at my tattoo appointment, so I'm not gonna be like big time filming. If you didn't know, I have a sleeve, so I just have been adding like some little finishing touches on said sleeve pretty often. But I just wanted to make sure that I checked in with you guys, and I will show you maybe some clips. It really just depends on the way that I'm laying, and I don't have people come to my tattoo appointments with me because I just like it's unnecessary and it takes a long time and it's kind of annoying, so I always try to just like solo dolo it. Yeah, so I will just show you after I get like unwrapped and home and things like that. I'll kind of show you that process and then I will check in later. Hey cheekies, it's actually the next day. I didn't get to check in because I've been a little busy and I was cleaning, and my boyfriend and I had a guest staying with us this weekend. His friend was in town, and so I wanted to make sure that, you know, like the apartment was clean, and I just was really busy after my tattoo appointment. And I also don't even remember like what my vision for this vlog was. I have today off because I work in a school district that does 4-day weeks, so when I have a Monday off, I normally like to have a slow start to my day. It's kind of like my Sunday, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I almost didn't even pick up my camera and vlog today because it's just in like, I'm in one of those moods where because it keeps getting warm and then cold and then warm and then cold, I really have been losing a lot of motivation. But yeah, I've just been losing like so much motivation, and I didn't want to vlog today because I was like, I don't even have anything going on. But I've noticed that if I push my body when I feel like I'm still sore, I just don't have the best run. So I'm trying to contemplate what I want to do. I think I will honestly go on a run after work tomorrow instead, because if I'm feeling this way right now, I can just try again tomorrow. And I think that's kind of like the best advice, because I tried to go on a run I think 2 days ago and my body just wasn't recovered yet from my workout. So if you guys didn't know, I'm training for a half marathon, but I also lift and I go to the gym regularly and like to just have a good lifting schedule. So that's just been a little bit hard for me because you have to be very cautious not to overwork your body. And I feel like everybody relates to kind of having those winter blues, so I felt like it would have been disingenuous if I didn't still vlog my day. So I'm going to vlog still. I think that what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to motivate myself with a cute outfit, and I am gonna go to the gym, but mostly just get some good stretching in and then do a very, very long walk. Like today's also a good self-care day, so that's another reason why I wanted to vlog, because I need to self-tan. I need to really heavily lotion my tattoo down because she's actually already starting to dry up a little bit, like on the corners, and I'll show you guys more of that once I get out of the shower. Basically, long story short is everybody gets winter blues, and my best thing I could think to do was just show you guys kind of how I pick myself up after kind of having like a sad day. So if this vlog is a little bit more chit-chatty, I wouldn't be surprised. I just kind of feel like I want to, you know, talk you guys through my day, talk you guys through what I do to kind of pick myself up, and I might even talk about like just some like vulnerabilities that have been going on. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking around even though this vlog's been like a hot mess. It probably will continue to be a hot mess, but at least it's realistic, hopefully relatable, and I will see you guys here in a second when I get my cute gym fit on. Okay guys, here is my Jimmy fit. I actually thrifted this shirt. This is a Aerie shirt, the Aerie offline brand. Ooh, I'm sorry, I'm literally freezing. But this is the Aerie offline brand Schwartz, and I got this from one of my favorite thrift stores. It's kind of squeezing my tattoo a little bit. I'm gonna talk to you guys more about my tattoo later. It's actually not good to constantly moisturize your tattoos, so I'm not going to do that until after I shower. Shorts are CRZ Yoga. What's new? We know her, we love her. However, these are mediums. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I wish I would have gotten smalls, because every single time I wear these to the gym, I always want to like tuck this almost, because it's like a mobility thing and it almost kind of irritates me more. Also, I don't know why, but I kind of want to wear my hair down to the gym and like just put a headband in, because I just have a freaking headache all the time when my hair is up. And it's hair wash day, so my hair is like greasy to the god. So maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll just put a little headband on or something. Also, guys, look at Bean. He's like a little angel. Bean. You can't even see it. You can't even see. Hi, baby. Hi. That's so sorry. Oh, he's giving me a little nibble. I'm sorry. You're just so cute. You are so cute. Okay, sorry. Sorry, guys. You're like really high up. Let's bring it back down a little bit. I'm gonna put a headband in because I don't know. I just don't want to wear my hair up. Okay, cool beans. That's what we're doing. Hair's gonna be down. I just think it's kind of cute. give it a good brush. My hair is getting so freaking long, guys. That is like down to my hip. Cute. I can't wait to self-tan later. I don't know if you guys do this, but sometimes when I don't have time to self-tan my entire body, I will just self-tan like my upper or lower, and so I'm like uneven right now. I'm like unevenly self-tanned. Any hoodles, I'm gonna finish my drinkity. I got the other pack of Alani's this time. Well, I didn't get it. My angel sweet baby boyfriend got my Alani's for me because I hate going to Sam's Club on my own. I get really overstimulated, so I either have to be with him or he's on his own. But he got me the orange kiss, the pink slush, and the cherry twist. I thought I used to hate the cherry twist, but honestly, the more I try it, I'm kind of into it. I'm gonna go to the gym, so I'll see you guys in a second. I hope nobody's there. Pray for me, T's and P's, thoughts and prayers that nobody's at this gym right now, because every single time I walk in that gym, they have all the overhead lights on, and that's just like not a fucking vibe. Why do you have all the overhead lights on in the middle of the day? Okay guys, that was actually a great little workout. So glad I actually went to the gym today, so hopefully that can kind of motivate you guys, make you feel better today. If you also need to gym, just go do it. You're gonna feel better. You're never gonna regret going to the gym. That's what I always tell myself. Like, it doesn't always work when I need to go run, because sometimes I do regret my run because if I'm hurting or my body just like wasn't recovered enough, I feel like shit. But you're never gonna regret a gym session. So it's currently 3:48, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to shower first, and then I'm gonna start prepping dinner. I'm gonna do it really early just because I kind of just want like the dinner made and to be kind of chill the rest of the night. And plus I know how I am by the time I get out of the shower and do my hair and all that, because I have to wash my hair today. I got my hair done on Friday. If you guys don't know, I dye my hair black. So my natural hair is really dark anyways, and my eyebrows are black anyways. I've never dyed my eyebrows a day in my life. But I do get my actual hair dyed just to kind of match everything. So yeah, I don't know who I am without pitch black hair. But I'm going to eat some of these wheat thin. They're like the Aldi brand wheat thins with leftover tuna salad I made. Don't let the haters tell you tuna's gross. If you've tried it and you still don't like it, okay. But if you've never tried tuna, it's such a good high protein meal. And I just add like light vegan mayo to it and mustard, and sometimes I put a little bit of cheese on there, and it's like such a good post-gym snack if you're not like ready to have a full meal. So I think I'm gonna eat that, and I'm just gonna kind of chillax for a second, maybe get some editing done on a video, and yeah, and then I'm gonna start cooking dinner. So I will see you guys once I'm about to get in the shower, and then probably after my shower as well, because I need to do some hair care things, and I figured I'd show you guys like my hair care products if you haven't seen me talk about those already. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, funniest thing ever just happened. I am about to get in the shower, and I had got a notification on my phone that was a Target notification, and it said, oh, you saved $3 today. I was like, I didn't go to Target. And sometimes my boyfriend and my best friend use my phone number for my Target app, which like I love, you know, like get me my extra points and, you know, use the coupons. But normally it doesn't send me that notification like right after you use it. I click on it and I'm like, $42 at Target, like what did I get? And it's my boyfriend at Target, and he used my phone number and he got all my Valentine's Day stuff. So I like literally opened it and I was like, I shouldn't look at that. I didn't see all of it, so it'll still kind of be a surprise, but that's actually so funny, and I'll probably tell him like after Valentine's Day, like I literally just saw everything you got. So it's actually hilarious. I don't know, I thought that was really funny. I wanted to share, but I just brushed through my hair. I'm going to just set my stuff out for my after shower like care. The lotion that I use on my tattoos is Jergens. It's not scented technically. I know there's like definitely more pure lotions out there that you can use. Honestly, after I've had an entire freaking sleeve and experienced all my tattoos, I've learned that it's really not that serious what you use on your tattoo, as long as it's not colored or fragranced and it's like hydrating. So all good there. And then I have my self-tan uniform. You might be thinking like, why would you wear a white crew neck? Honestly, don't know, but this washes really well, and my boyfriend used to work at Sherwin-Williams, so we have so many of these crew necks like all over my apartment. So God forbid it got ruined, we would have another one. And then just some Sophie shorts. Oh, and then I'm going to get my hair care products out. So if you guys have seen any of my other vlogs where I talk about hair care, or especially my 2025 physical glow up, because I talk about the products I use to kind of like upkeep myself. But on days when I haven't washed my hair in a while, I will use It's a 10 after the shower. I sometimes will use my Marc Anthony Grow Long, and then always on my middle to end of my hair, my Moroccan oil by OGX. But yeah, so I'm gonna shower. Okay, while my hair is drying in my little thing, I put the bronzer that I use as my self-tan in my moisturizer. My face is really red because it just gets really red after I shower. Maybe in a couple hours we'll see if it looks good. Bye! That's so funny. Look how cute. Look how cute this little guy is. Love, of course I said yes to be his Valentine. Okay, I'm gonna do potatoes, cut them up, put them on a sheet pan. Then I'm gonna show you guys the chickie that we use for our chicken tenders. It's like that Just Bare brand that you can get from Sam's or Costco because it's like the best for you. Then I'm gonna make mac and cheese, just like in the box, whatever, and green beans. Like maybe not like the healthiest meal ever, but it's still good. I got these all seasoned up. Key to this being so fire is using an Italian dressing. I prefer the restaurant style kind because it's basically just like a knockoff Olive Garden. But I like the Aldi version of it because it's not as high in calories. But I just douse this all over the potatoes before I massage all the seasonings in. This has about 80 calories per 2 tablespoons, so just keep that in mind when you are eating the potatoes. But seriously, it gives it so much freaking flavor. And maybe spray it down a little bit more with some olive oil, and then I just squish everything together. It's messy, but it's worth it. And then after it's all mushed in, all the seasonings are all over the potatoes, make sure they're all broken up as well. Then I will put more of the Italian dressing on, put it in the oven, and it just gives it like this zest. I don't know how to describe it. It's just so good. I really think you guys should try that if you have not before. And then for the hot honey sauce, I'm just taking hot sauce. I'm gonna pour it in here. I'm gonna take some Irish butter, melt it in this dish, and then honey with tap down here. But I'm really excited for this. I feel like this is gonna be so freaking good. So I'll show you guys what it all ends up looking like once everything's done. Okay, in the meantime, waiting for dinner, I'm going to take my hair out, obviously. And I need my ring light, hold on. Okay, that's better. I brought my ring light in here just to kind of, so it's not so orange and you guys can see me a little bit better, but I just let my hair sit in that microfiber towel. I am going to use 3 different products. I don't always use these 3 because sometimes it does weigh the hair down, but since this is my first hair wash after my hair appointment, I just feel like it stays really sleek and shiny and good, you know. But I'm using like this much of the Marc Anthony Grow Long, and this does not go anywhere besides in the actual like roots of my hair. I don't put it literally anywhere else. It's not meant to be like a leave-in conditioner for your entire head by any means. Okay, and then I'm going to take some It's a 10. Honestly, kind of use about the same amount, a little bit less actually, because It's a 10 can be a little bit heavy on the hair, and that does act as a leave-in conditioner for me. So I'm just gonna put this all over. And then last but not least, I'm going to use my argan oil, and I use like a nickel, maybe a nickel size amount, and I put that all over the ends of my hair, and I really just kind of like work it in there. And then I'm just gonna brush the product all over the place because you don't want it to get stuck in one spot, and then that's how sometimes you can get like your front pieces will be greasier than others or something like that. Also, I just realized I'm missing a hoop. Okay, don't know where that went. It's kind of sad. If you guys have any good earring recommendations off Amazon or somewhere, let me know, because the stack was like really cute, but the little hoop keeps falling out of my second hole, so it's really annoying. But I'm just making sure that my part is even, and then just brushing through. And my hair will get frizzy and look like shit tonight, because that's what it always looks like whenever I first wash it. It like is all crazy, but then once I sleep and it dries down and kind of like settles, it looks great. So that's what we've got going on. I'll see you guys when dinner is done.
Dude's running around.
Okay babes, obviously it's much later and I forgot that I literally never showed you guys my tattoo. I got some of my filling done. It's still a little red. I wanted to show you guys at least what it looks like since I did start my vlog out with taking you guys to my appointment with me. And I am using my Jergens that I talked about earlier in this video. Also, my dinner was so good. I took a couple clips that you guys could see after I was done like cooking. It was fire. Was it like super healthy? No, but it was good. But yeah, that's pretty much what we've got going on. The rest of this you guys have seen in like plenty of other videos. Obviously, the only part we have left is this little down part that's gonna connect out to that, and I'm not looking forward to that because that is a very, very sensitive spot and I know that's gonna hurt and not feel good at all, but it's whatever. But I'm going to gua sha now and just kind of make sure like my clothes are set out for tomorrow and make sure that my lunch is packed because I ate some of my crackers out of my lunch today since I didn't have school today. But after that, I'm just gonna go to bed. So this was like a chopped up vlog, but I figured I would properly close this out for you guys. So first of all, thank you for watching, and second of all, make sure you guys are subscribed so that you can see my next vlog. I have some really exciting videos coming up on my channel, so make sure you guys stick around. But I will see you in my next video. Okay, also I forgot to show you guys really quick, and then I'm ending the vlog, what I got in my little Valentine's Day bag. So super cute. Bean really likes the bag clearly because he is sitting next to it. But then I also got some chocolates which are already out because we were eating them. But I got a candle, 2 candles actually. And they both smell really good. So I'm excited about those. Bean, is this your present too? Oh, okay. That's fine. He looks like a little loaf of bread right now. He's so cute.